World Geography series, we are going to study about the South America. Okay, so the South America, it is very important continent. So it is a triangular shaped continent stretching from 12 degree north to 55 degree south latitude, and towards its west there is Pacific Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean is in the east side, and in the north and northwest there is North America and Caribbean Sea. Okay, so it is the fourth largest continent of the world with smooth and inlet coastline. So the coastline is quite smooth. So here is the South American continent. So this is the South American continent. You can see the position of South American continent in the globe. So here you will find this is the South Pacific and this is the South Atlantic. Okay, and if you see here, this is the map of South American continent. Now these are some Central American countries. Okay, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, El Salvador, these are the Central American countries. Central American countries. Okay, and here you will find this South American continent. So first country in South American continent, if you start, this is the French Guyana, and the capital of French Guyana is Guyana. Actually, I don't know how to pronounce it. The spelling is Cayenne. Okay, and Suriname. The capital of Suriname is Paramaribo. Okay, capital of Suriname. And then Guyana. The capital of Guyana is Georgetown. And then here we have Venezuela. The capital of Venezuela is Caracas. And then we have Colombia. The capital of Colombia is Bogota. And then we have Ecuador. The capital of Ecuador is Quito. And then we have Peru. The capital of Peru is Lima. And then we have Chile. The capital of Chile is Santiago. And then we have Argentina. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. And then we have Uruguay. The capital of Uruguay is Montevideo. And here we have Paraguay, and the capital of Paraguay is Asuncion. Okay, and then here we have Bolivia, and the capital of Bolivia is La Paz. Okay, capital of Bolivia. And here we have Brazil, and the capital of Brazil is Brasilia. So these are the countries in South American continent. So Brazil is the largest country in the South American continent, largest in South America. Okay, and if you can see, this is the equator. So this is the equator and it is passing through Brazil, as well as this is the Tropic of Capricorn, and this is also passing through Brazil. So equator and Tropic of Capricorn, it passes through Brazil. Okay, now let's see which are the other countries through which the equator is passing. So if you see here, the equator is also passing through Ecuador, then it is going through Colombia, and then it is going through Brazil. So remember the three countries, Ecuador, Colombia and Brazil, through which the equator is passing. This may be a question in our exam. And then if we see Tropic of Capricorn, you will find it is passing through Chile, then it is going through Argentina, and then it is going through Paraguay, and then forward it is going through Brazil. So remember, Chile, Argentina, Paraguay and Brazil. So these are the 4 important countries through which the Tropic of Capricorn is passing. Now let's see which are the important landlocked countries in South America. So there are 2 important landlocked countries in South America, and that is Bolivia and Paraguay. So what are these landlocked countries? So these landlocked countries are they are not having access to sea. They are surrounded by the other countries and they don't have any access to sea. These countries are called as landlocked countries. So Bolivia and Paraguay are the 2 landlocked countries in South America. Now here if you see, this is Lake Titicaca. Titicaca. Okay. So this is the Lake Titicaca in South America, which is very important. Okay. So this is the political features of the South American continent. Now let's see some physical features of the South American continent. So if you come south, this is the Amazon River. The Amazon River, it is the largest river by volume, okay, in terms of volume. Okay, here you can see it is the largest river in terms of volume, and here you will find this is the Amazon forest. Okay, this is the Amazon forest. Recently the Amazon forest was in news for the Amazon forest fire. Okay, so this is the Amazon forest, and this is also called as lungs of earth. This Amazon forest is also called as lungs of earth. And here if you see on the western coast, you will find this Andes. Andes is the mountain range in South America. Okay, so these are the Andes mountain range in South America. And if you see on the western coast of this Andes, on the western side of this Andes mountain, you will find this Atacama desert. Now this Atacama desert, it is the driest desert, driest place on the earth. Okay, and in this Andes, the South America, you will find here, this is the Mount Aconcagua. So this Mount Aconcagua, it is the highest peak in South America. Okay, and if you see here in the north side, you will find the Angel Falls. Now these Angel Falls are very important, because these are the Angel Falls are the highest fall. It is here. Okay, you will find the Angel Falls here on the Orinoco River. Okay, in Venezuela. Orinoco River in Venezuela, Angel Falls. Remember this. Then if you see, you will find grasslands here in South American continent, and these grasslands are called as, here you will find the grasslands, and these grasslands are called as pampas. So pampas are the grasslands in South American continent. Remember the names of the grassland and where are they found, because this is very important. So we have seen almost everything now, the very important things we have covered. So this is the Angel Falls we were talking about on the Orinoco River. This is the Amazon River. You can see it is meandering and flowing through the Amazon forest. Here you can see the Amazon forest, lungs of earth, very dense forest, the rainforest actually. And here you can see these are the pampas, the grasslands in South America. Remember this thing, okay? So that's all about the South American continent. In our next lesson we will study about the African continent. So till then, stay tuned.